Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have two people that needed something translated. And after the translation, I have an announcement that I want to make. So the very first person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continuous support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why is it like that? Again, why is it like that? Now that in TWI can be said as Adɛn etisa. Again, Adɛn etisa. One last time. Adɛn etisa. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, when I come to Ghana, I will visit you. Again, when I come to Ghana, I will visit you. Now that in TWI can be said as, Se meba Ghana, meba abɛsera. Again, Se meba Ghana, meba abɛsera. One last time. Se meba Ghana is basically when I come to Ghana. Meba abɛsera is I'll come visit you. So one last time. Se meba Ghana meba abɛsera. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, you are the reason. Again, you are the reason. Now that in TWI can be said as, ntira. Again, ntira. One last time. Ntira. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to find out what bɛtwa meant in English. Again, bɛtwa. Now bɛtwa in English literally means it shall end. Again, bɛtwa in English is it shall end. One last time. Bɛtwa in English is it shall end. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, that is what you promised me. Now that in TWI can be said in relatively two ways. Now the first one can actually say that in TWI is, Sa na wohyɛɛ meba. Now the second way one can actually say that is, Bɔhyɛ wohyɛɛ me no. Again, Bɔhyɛ wohyɛɛ me no. One last time. Bɔhyɛ wohyɛɛ me no. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so again, Daniel wanted to know the following in English, right? So the sentence he had was, Onyame obaatanpa. Again, Onyame obaatanpa. One last time. Onyame obaatanpa. Now that in English is, God is a good mother. Again, God is a good mother. One last time. God is a good mother. So, Onyame obaatanpa in English is God is a good mother. Again, Daniel wanted to find out what Ayeyi wura actually means in English. Again, Ayeyi wura. Now, Ayeyi wura in English literally translated is owner of praise or praiseworthy. Again, owner of praise or praiseworthy. One last time. Owner of praise or praiseworthy. So Ayeyi wura is owner of praise or praiseworthy. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, Daniel wanted to find out how to say choose or choice in TWI, right? Now, choose or choice in TWI is Yi. So if I were to say baako, I'm saying take one or choose one. Again, baako is choose one or take one, right? So choose or choice in TWI is Yi. Now the last thing that Daniel wanted to know was how to say do it. Now do it in TWI is Yie. Again, Yie. One last time, Yie. So Yie in TWI is do it. Now the second person that wanted something translated is a good friend of mine. And these are the things that they wanted to know. They wanted to know how to say chase him, right? Again, chase him. Now in TWI, that's pamno. Again, pamno. One last time, pamno. So remember, in TWI, we do not have the word him or her. It's represented by no, which in English will be person. So when I say pamno, literally in English, I'm saying chase that person. So chase him or her or a person can be said as pamno. And the next thing that they wanted to know was call them back. Again, call them back. Now in TWI, that can be said as fre omo ma mmra. Again, fre omo ma mmra. One last time, fre omo ma mmra. Now that literally in English would be call them so they may come. So again, it's fre omo ma mmra. Now the next thing that they wanted to know was leave them alone. Now leave them alone in TWI can be said as Gyae. Again, Gyae. One last time, Gyae. And the next thing that they wanted to know was, you are short-tempered. Again, you are short-tempered. Now that in Twi can be said as wubufuntem. Again, wubufuntem. One last time, wubufuntem, which also can mean you get angry quickly, which in turn means you're short-tempered. So again, wubufuntem. Now the next thing that they wanted to know was, please believe me. Again, please believe me. Now that in Twi can be said as Mepawokyew Jimidi. Again, Mepawokyew Jimidi. One last time, Mepawokyew Jimidi. And the last thing that they wanted to find out was, I can't do it anymore. Again, I can't do it anymore. Now that in Twi is min to me nyebio. Again, min to me nyebio. One last time, min to me nyebio. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to say thank you to all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Guys, if it wasn't for you, this channel wouldn't be where it is right now. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, for the announcement, right, I'm pleased to say that next week, Saturday, 10th of July, 2021 at 8 p.m. GMT+2, right, I'll have a live session with the one and only Mr. Ntira, who is one of Ghana's leading YouTubers. So in the live session, we're talking about our journey on YouTube, all our experiences, either good or bad. We'll also talk about Ghana YouTubers and the influence they have within Ghana itself, right? We'll also do some translations if possible. So please come join. The more the merrier. I'll put the link in the description section of this video. And also I'll put the link to Ni's channel in the description section as well. So you guys can go check him out. Please do support. Please like his content. Please click on the subscribe button as well. And guys, if you like the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, please go get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. Guys, that's it. See you next week. Remember, it's Saturday, 10th of July, 2021 at 8 p.m. GMT+2. Hope to see you guys there with lots of love. Bye.